Jake. Okay, so you're gonna be like, oh, hey, didn't see.
Oh wow.
You just had a seizure.
That hurts.
Just had a seizure.
It actually hurts. You should put a pillow there. Ow.
Yeah, Spider-Man and Freeze in full effect.
You ready, Ron?
I'm ready.
You ready, Dib?
I'm ready, Slick. Are you?
Oh yeah, take it down.
Girl, I must warn you. I sense something strange in my mind.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Sorry about my buddy, his cerebellum malfunctioned. Anywho, I'm here to tell you about the different parts of the brain.
The cerebellum.
The cerebellum is a part of the brain that controls emotions, memory, learning, and movement. It also plays a part in helping us discriminate sounds and tell time.
The hippocampus. The hippocampus is located in the limbic system of the temporal lobe. It almost exclusively deals with memory and helps associate names to faces. Wernicke's area and Broca's area.
Broca's area is located in the frontal lobe of a person's dominant hemisphere, which is usually the left side of their brain. It controls speech production and language processing.
On the other hand, Wernicke's area, which is located in the cerebral cortex, has been linked to speech since the late 1800s. It focuses mainly on the comprehension of written and spoken language. The pons.
The pons contains nuclei that relays information from the forebrain to the cerebellum and also controls respiration, swallowing, bladder control, eye movement, and hearing.
The cerebrum.
The cerebrum makes up 85% of the brain's weight. The neural networks within this region enable our perceiving, thinking, and speaking.
The corpus callosum.
The corpus callosum is responsible for allowing communication between the two hemispheres of the brain.
It does this by connecting the left and the right hemisphere like this.
The hypothalamus.
The hypothalamus influences hunger, thirst, body temperature, and sexual behavior. It's an important part of maintaining your body and secretes different hormones into your bloodstream, keeping your body at a steady state.
The medulla.
The medulla is located in the brainstem and is a part of the autonomic nervous system. It controls most involuntary acts like heart rate, vomiting, and God bless you, sneezing.
The midbrain. The midbrain is the smallest part of the brain and is located at the top of the brainstem. It controls basic hearing and vision functions and is the input center of muscle movement.
The reticular activating system.
Action! Dale, action! Alright, from the top.
The reticular activating system, or RAS, regulates wakefulness and transitioning from being asleep to being awake. It also helps us regulate posture.
The spinal cord.
The spinal cord is part of the central nervous system, which connects the peripheral nervous system with the brain.
These neural pathways initiate automatic reflexes and pain reflexes. Without my spinal cord, I wouldn't have been able to dodge that ball.
The thalamus.
The thalamus is the part of the brain that receives information from all the senses. It's located at the top of the brainstem and sends the information to all the parts of the brain that deal with hearing, seeing, touching, and tasting.